Hello students, welcome back to English Grammar class. My name is Abhishek Pratap Singh and today we're going to conduct our last class topic, that was pronoun. So we will just going to cover more kinds of pronoun in this class. So as you can see that the heading is there, which is about interrogative pronoun. In our last class we have covered the personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and the possessive pronoun. So let's read out that what is interrogative pronouns are. So these pronouns are used to ask questions. Okay, so now this time these words which will going to replace noun in the sentence will going to be ask question asking word, like who gave you my book. Again, the word which is highlighted here is who, and you can see that it's asking question, right, it's asking question. Similarly, in the second sentence, which of these watches is the best? Again, it's asking question about the thing. Okay, because we are not certain, because we want to know that which one of these watches are best. That's why it's asking question. So let's talk about the following table. The following table lists how the interrogative pronoun are used on the basis of person, thing, subject, and object. So when we talk about the subject and we talking about the person, so when we have to use persons as a when we have to use a subject and we want to know about the person, then we can use who. When we need to know about the person's like who is object, so whom. Thing, and for person, thing, and person, like these questions will going to be same, like what, which, and whose. Okay, so we can use these questioning words into different ways for asking thing, for asking about things, person, or person. So now students, let's discuss reflexive pronoun after discussing interrogative pronoun. So this kind of pronoun is going to refer to a noun or another pronoun that has been used in a sentence earlier and indicate that same person or thing is involved. So it's very easy that we will just going to talk about two times of a same person in a sentence. Okay, so once it was mentioned, and secondly we're going to just involve that thing or that person again. Let's take example and understand this, that she was doing all the preparation by herself. Now she is again a pronoun, and in the end of the sentence you can see that there is a highlighted word herself is involved again by just doing all preparation by her own. So she was doing all the preparation by herself. We can carry these boxes ourselves. Okay, so again we just representing some group of some people, so we can just carry these boxes ourselves. Okay, they have mentioned themselves again in the sentence, that is the last. Rohan sent a copy of the letter to himself. Now again, Rohan did something to himself, means he sent a copy of a letter to himself. Now let's read that what is given in the true box, that is pronouns which ends, the reflexive pronouns which end in self are the singular one, and which are going to end, which are the plural one, they will going to end on selves. Okay. Now students, let's look at the table which helps in to understand the words which are used for the singular and the plural individually. So when we are using the reflexive pronoun, that means that we are using the pronoun or the noun second time in a sentence. We are involving that thing second time in a sentence. So when that thing or that person or thing is singular, we can use myself for I, yourself for you, or for your, himself for him, herself for her, and itself for it. Similarly, when the subject is plural in a sentence and we are using it second time in a sentence, that is like a reflexive pronoun. We can have words like ourselves, themselves, like this. Okay, so these are the few words, or you can as we have just read in the true box, that we have to end those words which are plural, which have a plural now, like which are more than one. So we have to use lvves, right, in the end. So we can have words like ourselves, themselves, yourselves. Okay, so these are the few words which we can use when the reflexive pronoun or the subject in that sentence is a plural. So now students, this is all about this class. We are going to cover our next kind of pronoun in our next class. Till that time, please stay safe, keep on watching videos. Thank you so much.